أثم إذا ما وقع آمنتم به الآن وقد كنتم به تستعجلون.
Is it only when this chastisement has actually overtaken you that you will believe in it? And when the chastisement will surprise you, you will try to get away from it, although it is you who had sought to hasten its coming.
ثم قيل للذين ظلموا ذوقوا عذاب الخلد هل تجزون إلا بما كنتم تكسبون.
The wrongdoers will then be told, suffer now the abiding chastisement. How else can you be rewarded except according to your deeds?
ويستنبئونك أحق هو قل إي وربي إنه لحق وما أنتم بمعجزين.
They ask you if what you say is true. Tell them, yes, by my Lord, this is altogether true, and you have no power to prevent the chastisement from befalling.
ولو أن لكل نفس ظلمت ما في الأرض لافتدت به وأسروا الندامة لما رأوا العذاب وقضي بينهم بالقسط وهم لا يظلمون.
If a wrongdoer had all that is in the earth, he would surely offer it to ransom himself. When the wrongdoers perceive the chastisement, they will feel intense remorse in their hearts. But a judgment shall be made with full justice about them. They shall not be wronged.
ألا إن لله ما في السماوات والأرض ألا إن وعد الله حق ولكن أكثرهم لا يعلمون.
Indeed, all that is in the heavens and the earth belongs to Allah, and most certainly Allah's promise will be fulfilled, though most people are not aware of it.
هو يحيي ويميت وإليه ترجعون.
He it is who gives life and causes death, and to him shall you all be returned.
يا أيها الناس قد جاءتكم موعظة من ربكم وشفاء لما في الصدور وهدى ورحمة للمؤمنين.
Mankind, now there has come to you an exhortation from your Lord, a healing for the ailments of the hearts, and a guidance and mercy for those who believe.
قل بفضل الله وبرحمته فبذلك فليفرحوا هو خير مما يجمعون.
Tell them, O Prophet, let them rejoice in Allah's grace and mercy through which this book has come to you. It is better than all the riches that they accumulate.
قل أرأيتم ما أنزل الله لكم من رزق فجعلتم منه حراما وحلالا قل الله أذن لكم أم على الله تفترون.
Did you consider that the sustenance which Allah had sent down for you, of your own accord, you have declared some of it as unlawful and some as lawful? Ask them, did Allah bestow upon you any authority for this, or do you forge lies against Allah?
وما ظن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب يوم القيامة إن الله لذو فضل على الناس ولكن أكثرهم لا يشكرون.
Think how those who invent lies against him will be treated on the day of judgment. Allah is bountiful to people, yet most of them do not give thanks.
وما تكون في شأن وما تتلو منه من قرآن ولا تعملون من عمل إلا كنا عليكم شهودا إذ تفيضون فيه وما يعزب عن ربك من مثقال ذرة في الأرض ولا في السماء ولا أصغر من ذلك ولا أكبر إلا في كتاب مبين.
O Prophet, whatever you may be engaged in, whether you recite any portion of the Quran or whatever else all of you are doing, we are witnesses to whatever you may be occupied with. Not even an atom's weight on the earth or in the heavens escapes your Lord, nor is there anything smaller or bigger than that, except that it is on record in a clear book.
ألا إن أولياء الله لا خوف عليهم ولا هم يحزنون.
Surely the friends of Allah have nothing to fear, nor shall they grieve.
الذين آمنوا وكانوا يتقون.
The ones who believe and are God-fearing.
لهم البشرى في الحياة الدنيا وفي الآخرة لا تبديل لكلمات الله ذلك هو الفوز العظيم.
For them are glad tidings in this world and in the hereafter. The words of Allah shall not change. That is the supreme triumph.
ولا يحزنك قولهم إن العزة لله جميعا هو السميع العليم.
O Prophet, let not the utterances of the opponents distress you. Indeed, all honor is Allah's. He is all-hearing, all-knowing.
ألا إن لله من في السماوات ومن في الأرض وما يتبع الذين يدعون من دون الله شركاء إن يتبعون إلا الظن وإن هم إلا يخرصون.
Verily, whoever dwells in the heavens or the earth belongs to Allah. Those who invoke others instead of Allah, associating them with Him in His divinity, only follow conjectures and are merely guessing.
هو الذي جعل لكم الليل لتسكنوا فيه والنهار مبصرا إن في ذلك لآيات لقوم يسمعون.
It is Allah alone who has made the night that you may rest in it and has made the day light-giving. Surely in it there are signs for those who give heed to the call of the messenger.
قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا سبحانه هو الغني له ما في السماوات وما في الأرض إن عندكم من سلطان بهذا
They say, Allah has taken a son. Glory be to Him. He is self-sufficient. His is all that is in the heavens and all that is in the earth. Have you any authority to support that Allah has taken a son? Do you ascribe to Allah something of which you have no knowledge?
قل إن الذين يفترون على الله الكذب لا يفلحون.
Tell them, O Muhammad, indeed, those who invent lies against Allah will never prosper.
متاع في الدنيا ثم إلينا مرجعهم ثم نذيقهم العذاب الشديد بما كانوا يكفرون.
They may enjoy the life of this world, but in the end they must return to us, and then we shall cause them to taste severe chastisement for their disbelieving.
واتل عليهم نبأ نوح إذ قال لقومه يا قوم إن كان كبر عليكم مقامي وتذكيري بآيات الله فعلى الله توكلت فأجمعوا أمركم وشركاءكم ثم لا يكن أمركم عليكم غمة ثم قضوا إلي ولا تنظرون.
Narrate to them the story of Noah when he said to his people, My people, if my living in your midst and my effort to shake you out of heedlessness by reciting to you the revelations of Allah offend you, then remember that I have put all my trust in Allah. So draw up your plan in concert with those whom you associate with Allah in His divinity, leaving no part of it obscure, and then put it into effect against me and give me no respite.
فإن توليتم فما سألتكم من أجر إن أجري إلا على الله وأمرت أن أكون من المسلمين.
When you turned your back on my admonition, what harm did you cause me? I had asked you for no reward, for my reward lies only with Allah, and I am commanded to be of those who totally submit to Him.
فكذبوه فنجيناه ومن معه في الفلك وجعلناهم خلائف وأغرقنا الذين كذبوا بآياتنا فانظر كيف كان عاقبة المنذرين.
But they rejected Noah, calling him a liar. So we saved him, and those who were with him in the ark, and made them successors to the authority in the land, and drowned all those who had rejected our signs as false. Consider then the fate of those who had been warned and still did not believe.
ثم بعثنا من بعده رسلا إلى قومهم فجاءوهم بالبينات فما كانوا ليؤمنوا بما كذبوا به من قبل كذلك نطبع على قلوب المعتدين.
Then we sent forth after him other messengers, each one to his people. They brought to them clear signs, but they were not such as to believe in what they had rejected earlier as false. Thus do we seal the hearts of those who transgress.
ثم بعثنا من بعدهم موسى وهارون إلى فرعون وملئه بآياتنا فاستكبروا وكانوا قوما مجرمين.
Then after them we sent forth Moses and Aaron to Pharaoh and his chiefs with our signs, but they waxed proud. They were a wicked people.